to the kitchen, where flavor meets passion. This is McHugh's signature kitchen. Let's cook something unforgettable.
For this recipe, you will need plain burger, a bunch of lettuce and 2 cut tomatoes, adobo seasoning, olive oil, ketchup, mixed seasoning to taste, and lastly, hamburger buns. Add a drizzle of olive oil in the pan. Next, season your burger on one side first. Once your pan is hot, add the burger and let it cook to perfection. Now season the other side for some extra flavor. Leave the burger to cook the other side until perfectly nice and juicy.
Welcome to the kitchen, where flavor meets passion. Yep. This is McHugh's signature kitchen. Let's cook something unforgettable.
Now my favorite part, plating. If you want to level it up, add your favorite cheese, totally optional. Serve it with pickles or crispy fries on the side and enjoy every bite. Thanks for watching my Signature Kitchen. See you in the next one. Voila, enjoy!